So we have a big announcement to make today, and you guys are the first to know. So it seems like, and you know this, we talk about it every day in the office, that it must be kind of an auto spell, or maybe it's just easier to type, but people like to call me Lisa Griffin. So for popular demand, your request, we've decided to change the company name to lisagriffin.com. So the team made me this mug so that I could remember, easier to remember when I see it every day.
Your new name.
My new name. And here's the new logo. Yeah?
I like it. Yes.
Looking good?
It looks great.
Okay, maybe not.
All right, let's skip it.
Forget it. Okay, take two. Happy April, everyone.
And happy spring, happy Easter.
Yes. Easter is one of our favorite things at our studio because there are so many beautiful crafts to make. And we wanted to talk about sustainable Easter this year. So we have a lot of things here on the table to show you. Let's first talk about eggs, our favorite Easter eggs that we're finding.
Yes.
One of our go-tos that we've been using for a few years now are these wooden eggs. And this one's just a solid wooden egg that you can purchase. We'll have some links for you below.
Or so somewhere. Good for crafting.
Yeah, they are. And this you can just paint and use them as decorative eggs, but they're wooden. And you can also get the wooden eggs that unscrew.
Treats inside.
Yeah, rather than using those icky plastic eggs that are just not really very pretty. Use these pretty little wooden eggs, and you can have your kids paint them, or you can paint them, or make them kind of a craft, and this will last you forever.
Oh, yes, yes.
So much better than
Keep
the plastic.
reusing.
Yes. And then the new eggs that we just found, which goes along with our cotton spun balls that we offer in the shop, these are actually from one of our favorite vendors, which we'll have a link for you as well. Oh, that one's jumping. And
just hatched.
It just hatched out of my hand. Anyway, these are made from the cotton spun, and they're really easy to paint. They have a beautiful texture. Here's some projects. Megan made these little strawberries.
So cute.
Aren't they cute? And then also these little animals are made from these cotton spun eggs. So again, they're great for kids. They can paint them. You can, kids, adults, whichever. I mean, I think it's all good. Add a little felt to make these animals.
Yeah, and if you don't want to paint them, we actually did include an SVG file for the details.
Yes, you can cut them out in vinyl or paper and just Mod Podge them on. That would be a really good way to do it. They come in all different sizes. So you can see here, this is the large size. We have kind of a medium. They have more sizes than this as well. But these are the ones that we picked out for this year to use. These little, look at these little teeny tiny ones.
I know, you could almost make an egg necklace.
You can, there we go, or earrings, egg earrings, there you go. I made this little nest. This is like a 5-minute craft. You can make this in no time. But, you know, we're talking about eggs, but let's talk about this sisal.
Yes, which is another one of their great products.
Same thing, it's a natural material, and it just comes in a bag. The bag it's really compact, and when you pull it apart, it goes a long way.
Yeah. So how much did you use in this
I just took the whole bag and put it inside. However, if I had pulled it apart, I probably could have filled 2 Easter baskets this size with one bag.
That's a large size, yeah.
It is really big. This one has a green tone to it, and then this is just the natural sisal. So again, sustainability. But the final sustainable project that I love, it's my all-time favorite.
Yeah, I would say one of our all-time favorites for sure.
Yes, this is something that I did, one of my first crafts when I started my site 6 years ago.
That's incredible.
Right?
And still right on trend.
Yeah, it is this little, well, both Easter baskets, and both of these are made from recycled grocery bags, and they last. I have some without handles as well, and I use them in my dressing room where I put all my little extra jewelry and things like that.
That's a cute idea.
Yeah, it is, and they last. They're so heavy duty. This one I just used the handle of the small bag for the handle for the Easter basket, where this one I just did a woven handle. You can also use a ribbon or anything else, but this is so heavy duty. I'm going to pick it up. It's really heavy duty. It will, you know, just like grocery bags, they're made to kind of not tear, and that'll hold your groceries really well. Well, this is like grocery bag 4-ply, because you're weaving it, right? We have the tutorials on how to do all of these projects over here in our seasonal section.
Yes.
So go make sure that you check all those out. Oh, this one too. This is a super cute, and this is brand new. that was made this year by Megan. And this is a little
goodie
candy bag.
Yes.
Oops. And another jumper that's made out of felt with a little iron-on face.
Oh, it is so cute.
It is.
Another recyclable grocery bag product we have is last year we made nests.
Nests, yes.
We made nests last year. Mod Podging strips of these grocery bags, which are really cute.
Yeah,
too.
shredded.
Yeah.
Shredded, yeah. So we like our grocery bags. We'll probably do more projects with those. So the next thing we want to talk about is our April member make. And we are going to go ahead and give you guys all of the list of everything you'll need for this member make. So you can do a make along if you want to.
Yes, I'll be posting all the tools and materials we're using on our member make Facebook group. So if you're not in there already, make sure you join.
Yes, and that is it's a members only event, both the member make and the Facebook group. So if you are a member, make sure you sign up because it's a lot of fun. We always have so much fun. And this month we're actually going to make the gorgeous Lysianthus with buds, and we're doing it in like 4 different colors of paper.
So pretty.
And it's all extra fine paper, and it's just so beautiful. It's a great filler flower, as well as, you know, they almost have a rose-like quality.
I know. I think they stand on their own as well.
They really do.
Yeah.
But they're so simple to make that you could use it as a filler flower as well. So make sure and join us.
Perfect for all those weddings coming up.
I know. We'll announce exactly the date and the time for that as well. But if you're on the Facebook page, you'll get that whole announcement. So make sure and go there. Another really fun spring project. This was made by one of our designers, Krista. She did every single one of these flowers. And I'm telling you, this girl, she knows how to make felt flowers like nobody else.
I know, and I just really love the colors she picked. They're
I do too.
So stunning together.
We have every single one of these flowers are in a separate post with the whole tutorial on how to make them. And we have the SVG cut files, so you can cut them on your maker cutting machine, because that's the best one for felt. We did them all with a felt wool blend rather than a really inexpensive felt, because this is something you can keep forever. I mean, if I were getting married, I would carry this down the aisle. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. And there's so many different ways that you can use them, even besides a bridal bouquet or a bouquet to put on your table. But
yeah, it's really kind of lighting up this room with a gray, dreary day outside.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, there's a lot of sunshine in this bouquet, so definitely go check this out over in the felt section. And even if you're just to try one of the flowers, I think it's a really fun, different type of material to use besides just crepe paper or paper for making
and
flowers.
how stunning wouldn't these felt daffodils look on your Easter table?
Yes, this does make a great Easter bouquet. Or Mother's Day. I think that would be good too, if you're looking ahead for that. So April is also National Decorating Month. So whatever that means to you,
it's my new favorite holiday.
Because we love to decorate. So we have some projects for you there. A couple of them are this brand new Easter wreath, and isn't that cute? We actually used the same style of this woven kind of macrame wreath with some more of a palm leaf. It looked very tropical, and just some wooden beads. And that was really pretty too.
Oh, that was a really pretty piece, yeah.
Or here's an Easter version, and this is something you can hang on your door or your wall, or use it as a centerpiece for your table. And of course, for decorating, paper plants. That is my jam. So here we are, one of our favorite paper plants, made by Krista again. She's doing really well with these types of plants. Great thing.
It's such a great way to bring in some greens.
Yes, I think greens in any decorating is a definite step up.
It's still such a big trend this year. So
yes, it is. And if you're like me and you can't keep plants alive, this is the way to go.
This is the way to go. So if you haven't had a chance to check out our paper kits in the shop, make sure you do. Last month we gave you a little sneak peek, and now we have them available. So we have 2 sizes, retailing for $6.99 and $19.99. And look at what you get for $6.99.
$6.99 for that, and I think
it's amazing.
Yeah, we have several that we have some flowers and some plants. This is one of them. And that's a smaller kit, and then we have here's 6 rosebuds and 6 roses for $19.99, and they're just gorgeous. And this is just one of the kits. We have other flowers as well.
Yeah, we have 12 kits in total.
Yeah, totally. You're going to want them all. I know they're a lot of fun. It's fun. I've been handing them out to different people, and one of my favorite things is I gave some to my friend who has a 10-year-old daughter, and she made them like that night and had so much fun.
Oh, that looked incredible.
Yeah, they're beautiful. So these kits are great for, these preteens or teens or even adults.
Yes.
Yeah.
And if you're planning a wedding, how fun wouldn't it be to combine a couple of different ones?
Yep. And we'll show you how to do that as well later. Okay, here's another big announcement that I want everybody to hear. We just released a new video and it's called 10 Things You'll Want to Know About Crepe Paper. We worked really hard to make sure we were giving you all the information, everything complete, A to Z, all about crepe paper. The link is over here on the side, so make sure and go watch that video. We're starting a Start Here page for crepe paper flowers. That's the first one we're doing. We're doing multiples, but that's where we're starting. So that's our first video for that page. And if you do anything crepe paper, or if you don't do anything crepe paper, you're going to want to go watch that video. It's really good.
For sure. We tried to answer all of the questions that we've been receiving throughout the years. It's so comprehensive.
It is.
So Leah, or Lisa.
I think I'll stick with Leah.
All right. We get so many questions on what inspires you and how do you continue to make all these beautiful projects.
Yeah. Well, my dog over there who's barking, that's one of them. I'm kidding. Well, you know, it's actually just recently that I have gone back to my roots, back into my teens and 20s, and I'm taking art classes again.
That is wonderful.
Yeah. And it's the first time since college, and I forgot that I knew how to draw, so I've been taking drawing and painting classes. I'm learning how to paint.
I think you're being a little too modest.
Well, here you go. I'll show you guys a few sneak peeks of some things that I've been drawing. But it's so much fun. I've been feeling what it's brought to me doing these art classes. I also do sewing classes, and I'm taking pottery here next month. But what it's brought to me in doing these is it helps me really understand what we are giving our members. Because what I'm finding doing the art classes just for fun, it's for my soul, is that it grounds me. It's like meditation in a way. And it kind of brings me back to my quiet space and my soul and my creative space. And it's just so healing. And I know that's what we give our members with all the projects that we make as well.
And it's so lovely to get that feedback, how it's kind of changing people's lives.
Yeah, and it's changing my life. Like taking drawing classes is changing my life. So I think that it's really lit my fire on how much passion I have for this business.
Yeah, that's incredible.
Yeah. So I'm really looking forward to April. I'm excited about seeing some sunshine. I'm excited about Easter as always.
And I'm so excited to share all the beautiful projects that we've been working on.
Yes, and seeing what you guys make as well. So have a wonderful April. We'll see you at the member make, and we'll see you again in May. Oh, and you're changing your name to Leah.
Yeah, I figured if you don't want to change your name, maybe I should.
And then we can be twinsies.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Bye, everybody.
It's like the blonde Leah Griffith.